Hindi po nakatitiyak ng isang magaan na laban sa Filipino boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. Ito po ang pangamba ni American promoter Bob Arum na punong abalan sa kanyang November 5 card na pagbibidahan naman ni Pacman. May report si John Mogol ng Sports Radio 918.
Nangangamba si boxing promoter Bob Arum sa magiging resulta ng laban ng kanyang main man na si Manny Pacquiao sa susunod na linggo. Hindi kasi naniniwala si Arum na kayang pagsabayin ni Pacquiao ang pagiging isang senador at ang paglaban sa isang top-level boxing bout katulad ng susunod na laban nito. Ayon pa kay Arum, isang mabigat na laban para kay Pacquiao ang 12-round title fight nito kontra kay Jesse Vargas na isang 2-division world champion.
His main job, his main concern is his senatorial duties. So that's the vocation, and the boxing is the avocation. So hopefully he can prepare himself well enough to compete against Jesse Vargas, who everybody knows is getting better and better and better.
Sa kabila nito ay umaasa pa rin si Arum na magwawagi si Pacquiao kontra kay Vargas. Ito'y dahil maikukonsiderang freak of nature si Pacquiao na kilala sa pagiging abala sa maraming gawain kasabay ng kanyang training sa boxing.
I was over in the Philippines. I was astounded. I didn't think necessarily that he was handling it that well. But I saw him yesterday sparring, and he looked terrific. So who knows? But, I mean, I've never seen this in over 50 years. A guy who has a day job that takes so many hours and yet can compete in a sport like boxing on the highest level.
Tatangkain ni Pacquiao na mabawi ang WBO welterweight crown na suot ngayon ni Vargas. Maghaharap ang dalawa sa isang 12-round title bout ngayong November 5 sa Thomas and Mack Center sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Para sa PTV Sports, John Mogol, Sports Radio 918.